Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and today I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a photo shoot where we do half in a studio that ended up not working out so well. So we improvised and brought it up to this rooftop. Check out the description box for the full gallery of images as well as all the gear that I used. But before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor Squarespace for making this video possible.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
I'm going to be leaving my mic on for you guys to hear the commentary and just direction, and I purposely include whenever I'm like stumbling over my words or me and the model are just doing telekinesis at this point where my sentence isn't finishing but Marina understands, just so that you know that that's totally normal. And because I know a lot of people have wrote me and said that they feel really awkward when working with the model, but there's no reason to be. I mean, you have so many different things going on that I promise you the model isn't judging you if you're saying the word like, you know, every other word, or if you're having a hard time describing something that really doesn't make sense. So right now I'm working with a 85mm, and we're in a little bit of a tight space, but oh my gosh, gorgeous. Just maybe go like this real quick to brush the, yeah. See, she understands. I also feel like when you are a creative, you just get what the other person is trying to articulate, and even just through like a movement, you don't have to finish the sentence. They're gonna understand, so don't even worry about it. Sometimes even when I'm doing these videos, I'm like, what the heck did I just say? And then I'm getting comments like, exactly. I'm like, okay, beautiful. So you can see right here how her hair is falling and it looks pretty, but we can give a little bit more, and especially if I want to show these earrings. So instead of having the model just brush her hair back, it's going to fall right back into place. So what I like to do is I like to kind of pinch the hair a little bit and twist it back, or what I do is I'll pinching it, folding it back, and then almost like rubbing it a little bit to get a little bit of texture so that it holds. So you can see this way. Now we can see the earring and there's more of a curl that's happening, but there's no way that this would just be happening in real life. You have to adjust it and make it work, and that just looks so beautiful too. And so just take that extra 5 seconds to adjust the hair. Your client is also going to appreciate it. Even if you vocalize, sorry, I'm so particular about hair, I always say that, and they're like, oh my gosh, yes, like thank you so much. It's nothing that you have to worry about. So. Okay, so freaking cute, gorgeous. And then maybe bring one hand up now. So I have it basically from here up. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Cute. Here's one more sample of the hair. So I had her look down, so I just want to take this, instead of going like this or having her move it, I'm going to simply take it back, either twist it or take it and pinch it and twist it into this. Give it a little bit of a rub, and then that's going to stay that way. The way I just got my cosmetology license. Okay, lift your face up ever so slightly for me. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my gosh. You look so beautiful. Ooh. The pink, I'm sorry.
Pink
it's the most important color. I mean, it really is.
Roughly 90% of my wardrobe is this exact.
I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna switch my lens and we're gonna get some wide shots. I am switching to my 50. This is a little phone tripod that sticks on the top of the camera that I'm gonna pop my phone onto to get some Instagram reels if I can. Oh my gosh, we only have 30 minutes. Am I doing too much? This will allow me to get some behind the scenes at the same time. So I could just stick the phone here. Okay, content creation. Oh my gosh, Marina, this is so beautiful. Okay, twist your body towards me. Yeah, but still look out the window, yeah. And then bring your hands actually down a little bit. Yeah. So then we see the belt. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now look this way ever so slightly. Yeah, perfect. Okay, stay just like that. Then bring this hair back. Okay, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Cute. Gorgeous. And then I'm on continuous so that I'm able to get everything in focus. My shutter speed is really fast. It's 640, and then my ISO is pretty high too. It's at 800. The reason why it's at 640 is so that then nothing is blurry, because I want to capture everything kind of frozen. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. I'm just gonna scoot back so I can get one for Insta crop too. Bring your knees up, and then you can kind of like put your, these are gonna be really freaking cute. Gorgeous. And then maybe like gather the floof. Yeah, cute. Stay just like that, gorgeous. Lift your face even taller, yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. So freaking fun. Okay, now really squeeze in with the floof, yeah. She's holding onto the loofah for dear life. She has to exfoliate. The way she needs to exfoliate so bad right now. Beautiful. She's the queen she'll ever be. The way her skin is literally so raw, she needs to go to the dermatologist because she exfoliated too much. That's so gorgeous. The pink, are you even kidding me right now? In those shots, I was picking up the end of the tulle dress so that it could be in the foreground, just filling in some of the space on the bottom left corner to make it look like the dress was even more full than it is. Oh yeah, you could even be, what if you're like kind of fluffing it down and I'll get a shot from above like that? That's cute. Don't want to get the bars in it so much, but I don't really have a lot of options here. So I'm actually using this beam to cover up most of those bars in the foreground. So I am not getting the train, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. Beautiful. Turn your wrists in for me just a tiny bit. Yep, beautiful, Marina. Can you go like this to your hair real quick? Just the front part. Yeah, beautiful, just to show the earrings. Gorgeous. Perfect, Marina. You did so good. Pop your hand back like this real quick. Yep, perfect. The cardigan is also practical because it's warm. Okay, what if we do some sitting down? Actually, you know what, let's go over this way. I'm using my 85, okay, yeah. We'll go over this way because the light's a bit better. Okay, so I'll have you bring the cardigan back down again. I really like the cardigan with it.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's really cute. Oh, this is gonna be really pretty. Okay, let's take the cardigan off maybe for these. 2 seconds ago, I love it, it's so unique. Anyway, get rid of it. So stunning. Yeah, let's just work with the wind. Honestly, look the other way. Yeah. That is stunning. I love that. That's so beautiful. Do that one more time with your face nice and high. Yes, wind. Oh my, okay, that shot alone, everything. Okay, let's do a big one. Come right here, tons of swirly twirlies. So I don't want to get the 10A, so I'm gonna shoot from back here. Okay, gorgeous, whenever you're ready. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna have you step forward quite a bit for me. I wanna make sure that the parking cement thing is out of focus. Yeah, okay, beautiful, that's perfect. Yeah, let's do it, let's do it. Let me just get it in, yep, beautiful. You look so cute.
Yay!
If you're a photographer and you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions, whether it's about how to respond to a difficult client situation or just get gear recommendations. Free to join, just check out Build and Bloom on Facebook groups. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.